Welcome back to Magnetic Stringworks. So the other day I teased out a little short asking you to tell me what you thought this little tool was, and here they are. So this is the Bullet 2.0 guitar jack wrench. So let's have a closer look at these. Welcome to Magnetic Stringworks. Please remember to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for more video content. So don't forget, if you're still interested in some of my string and pickup gauges, I have about 15 sets made up available on the website. The link will be in the description down below. So what exactly are these things? So Bullet 2.0 brass socket guitar jack wrench. So I have one in a 1/2 inch size and one in 11mm size. I picked these up at Solomusic in Toronto a couple of weeks ago when I was there. So, whoa, things are flying away. So we have some instructions, relatively simple. So what's this for? So this is to help you tighten the output jack and prevent the jack itself on the inside from spinning as you tighten the nut. And of course, if you tighten the nut and the jack spins, you could twist off the wires, the solder joints inside. So what this is supposed to do is prevent that from twisting. So how does it do that? Well, so we have a 1/2 inch nut there, so a little driver, brass. And then we have this little insert here. And this is a rubbery material. So what you're supposed to do is push that stem in there. Push it in so it's nice and tight. And then once it's in, then you can tighten or loosen, I guess, the output jack with the, basically it's a wrench, right? So this is the 1/2 inch size, so I guess American made products like Fender. And this is the 11mm, so more import size. They're both the same. It's just a different, wrench here, right, in the brass section. So how about we give these a try on a few guitars, see how they work. Alright, so here we have a Stratocaster. This would be an excellent candidate for using these bullet locks. So here we go. We have a 1/2 inch nut. So normally you'd use like a nut driver or even a ratchet, and you would tighten it. Now this one's tight already, but you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to loosen it a bit. And I can feel it actually spinning around. So you don't necessarily want to do that. Of course, like a 1/2 inch wrench is not really going to get in there. So the idea would be you would take your bullet, you're going to place, I guess you can do it either way. So I'm going to try and get the little wrench, the brass wrench part on. I'm going to push down, oh yeah, that's in there. So I'm pushing the little rubber insert into the output jack. Then I'm going to, there we go. Okay, well, it's tightening. You can see that was pushed in there pretty hard. Let's try that again. I'm going to push it in first. Okay, I'm going to get the wrench around the nut. There we go. Now back it off a bit, tighten it. Yeah, I think it's working. Okay. Well, here's a Fender Squier made in China. And if I look at that output jack, I'm going to try the 11. Yeah, that doesn't work on there. And the half would work. Just trying to see what size this is. Yeah, see, this is 12 millimeter. So the half would be close. So you could probably use that on here. Push it in. And there we go. Okay. Let's try another one. Alright, so now we have a jazz bass. And again, here's the 1/2 inch. Okay, that fits on nice. I'm going to push it in, a little rubber insert. See if I can loosen and tighten. Yeah, there's loosening. There's tightening. Of course, you can always just use a 1/2 inch socket, right? But you're not sure if it's spinning around inside, and I think pretty confident that that's holding that output jack where it should be. Not letting it move around. That'll be a useful little tool. Okay, so what do I rate this out of 5 stars? I'd probably give this probably about a 3.5. I think it's going to work, and it's one of those tools that when you really need it, it's going to do a great job. But a lot of times you might just be able to just tighten something down like that. But no, I think I'll start using this on the bench, and then I'll be able to give a better review of it, I guess, in a few months. But for now, not bad. They're about $30 at Solomusic, so we'll see if they're worth the investment. Alright, thanks for watching. See you next time.